I recommend the S&P 500 index fund and have for a long, long time to people. I've made it public. On my death, there's a fund for my then widow, and 90% will go into an S&P 500 index fund, and 10% of Treasury bills.
So let's say you're new to investing, and you want to do what one of the greatest investors in history, Warren Buffett, did to beat those big, nasty hedge funds. Well, I'm going to show you in this video, and this is also going to become a series, to the foundation to every investor's portfolio. We're going to do it in this video. If you're finding me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so when I drop videos, you all get them. Also, follow me on IG so that you can get a chance to see how I'm living, how I take my life gains and use them to do other things in life. Because what we're trying to do here is have your money be exchanged so that you can have time. We call those things on this channel quality of life. And also, share my videos with people, my people, because there are a lot of folks out here who follow these gurus who all the thing they do is show you their Lambos, their jewelry, and all that bull job.
I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
And really investing is deeper than that. It's not how quickly you can get rich. It's how you save and invest over time. And then 10 years down the road, when you got your money being able to afford a Lambo without you exchanging it for time, that's when you jump into a Lambo, or if you're nasty like me, a Tesla. Foundation of everybody's investing should definitely be an ETF or an index fund. For me, it's definitely an ETF. And for those of you that are new to invest, you don't know what an ETF is, well, I've got it for you right here. ETF is a basket of securities that you can buy or sell through a brokerage firm on a stock exchange. ETFs are offered in a variety, every conceivable asset class, from traditional investing to so-called alternative investing like commodities and currencies. In addition, innovative ETFs allows investors short markets to gain leverage and avoid short-term capital gains. And all those jargony words were said to say all that an ETF is a basket of stocks from an index that helps you leverage the ability to have multiple stocks under one stock so that you don't have to be in there manipulating your portfolio on a day-to-day basis. Foundations of my portfolios are a couple of ETFs. And when you're trying to find an ETF, what do you look for? Something that at the very least gives you the stock appreciation itself of what the market offers, 8 to 10% or better. Number two, you're looking for an ETF that is committed to paying a great dividend along with the growth the stock does. And right now, I'm going to jump on my Robinhood account and show you guys one of my favorite ones. And I'm going to turn this into a series because I don't care what your goals are in investing. Maybe you're in here for short-term gains. Maybe you're in here for long-term gains. The foundation of everybody's portfolio should and needs to be the ETF. And I'm going to show you one of my favorites right now. We're in my Robinhood account, and one of my absolute favorite ETFs is the Invesco S&P 500 Dividend Low Volatility ETF. And I like it because it's giving me growth for the stock over the last couple of years, and I'm getting a great dividend payment of about 5% every month. This particular ETF pays you your dividend every month. And if you want to know how it's done in the marketplace over the last couple of years, just click on 5-year history. And you see up there where it says past 5 years, it's been greater than 10%. That's beating the market. And then you come down here and you would normally check to see what they're paying in dividend. As you can see, it paid me my last dividend of $40 on November 30th, which is today. And it also shows you nowadays on Robinhood what the fund is invested in, which allows you to pick these various ETFs so that you have complete market exposure. Other words, diversity. And you guys have heard people say you need to be diversified over and over, and ETFs is a great way to do that. So we slide down here and see what the SPHD is invested in. Their biggest percentage of investment is utilities. Then comes consumer defensive stocks. Why would they do that? Because if the market goes backwards, those defensive stocks tend to stay strong and steady and prevent this thing from falling off the map. This is why I say everybody's foundation needs to be good ETFs, because it gives you a hedge if the market is doing bad. Then it's got healthcare, it's got energy, it's got real estate, communications, technology, consumer cyclicals, financial services, basic materials, and industrials. This thing has got you covered across the market, across the board. And if you scroll down some more, they even show you what their top 10 holdings are. So we're here, Williams and Company, Iron Company, PayPal, Chevron, Altera, Kinder Morgan, AT&T, Pfizer, Edison International, Consolidated Edison. So when you know this information, my people, these are individual stocks you don't have to buy on your own because you've already got it in an ETF working for you. This right here allows you to spend your other money on other stocks that could potentially give you a greater growth percentage than what these companies are doing within this ETF. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to present this as a series because now Robinhood is allowing you to see so much information about these stocks and what they're doing and how it can help you fortify your investing. Please leave me comments on what ETFs you guys are using to make that money so that in 5 or 10 years, you too can be riding in your Lambos and your Teslas. And if you're real nasty, maybe you're across seas spending your money on something hot. That's going to do it for the video. Don't forget to like my video. Please comment, subscribe, get yourself that life game. Let me know what other ETFs you guys have found that you really, really like. This one is the S&P SPHD, and I use it as the foundation of my portfolio, and I enjoy this and other ETFs, and this is going to be a series I'm doing to help you guys have a great, solid foundation. No house is built without a solid foundations, and an ETF is definitely your solid foundation. And until that next Sexy as Hell video, I'll see you.